Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this expression 4 squared divided by 2 then times 1 plus 3. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. According to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. We first do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and addition and subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we work from left to right, and the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here first we do these parentheses. 1 plus 3 gives us 4. So our expression equals 4 squared divided by 2 then times 1 plus 3 gives us 4. Now here we first do this exponent. 4 squared gives us 16. So 16 divided by 2 then times 4. Here we have this addition and this multiplication. As we know, multiplication and division have equal priority and we work from left to right. So first 16 divided by 2, which equals 8. And 8 times 4 gives us 32. So our final answer to this problem is 32.